Happy Teacher Tuesday! I'm Miss Bree, an early education teacher. Welcome to my in-home classroom where children are learning and having fun, including Letter of the Week activities, cooking segments, field trips, and much more. We have apple aerobics. It's a movement activity. 3 simple ingredients: oatmeal, bananas, and chocolate chips. And there you have it. A cat craft. This is my dog, Pebbles. Ooh. Hello there.
Yeah, something like that. Aww. It's something like that.
It is so fun to play with my hands. I'm grooving in my green clothes. Yeah. Join in on the fun. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next week on Teacher Tuesday.